Today, we are going to talk about percent, fraction, and decimal. Percent means per 100. Percent is a part to whole ratio where the whole is 100. Let us look at this big rectangle. This big rectangle is divided equally into 100 small rectangles. 50 of these small rectangles are red. So the ratio of red rectangles to the total number of rectangles is equal to 50 over 100. 50 over 100 is 50 per 100. So 50 over 100 can be written as 50%. Let us divide this big rectangle, which is now in yellow, equally into two. This part in blue is one half of the big rectangle. Therefore, we can say that 50 over 100 is equal to 1 over 2, or 1 half. If we divide 1 by 2, 1 divided by 2, 1 is smaller than 2, so we write 0. It is understood there is a decimal point after 1, and then we add 0. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. Then we put decimal point before 5. So, since 50 over 100 is equal to 1 half, and 1 half is equal to 0.5, therefore, 50 over 100 can be also written as 0.5. Since 50%, 1 half, and 0.5 are each equal to 50 over 100, therefore, we can say that 50% is equal to 1 half, and it is also equal to 0.5. We can also see here that 50% can be written as a fraction, and it can also be written as a decimal. And a decimal can be written as a percent, and a fraction can also be written as a percent. A while ago, we said that a percent can be written as a decimal. Let us now convert percent to decimal. To convert percent to decimal, remove the percent sign and then move the decimal point 2 places to the left. Insert extra zeros as needed. Example number 1, 40%. So we remove this percent sign. So 40. It is understood there is a decimal point after 0 in 40. And then we move this decimal point 2 places to the left. 1, 2. The decimal point is now before 4. So this is now equal to 0.40. Now, 40% can be written as 40 over 100 because 40% means 40 per 100. If you divide 40 by 100, you will get 0.40. So, 40% is equal to 0.40. We can disregard the 0 after 4. So, this is now equal to 0.4. Number 2, 56%. So, we remove this sign of percent and then move the decimal point 2 places to the left. It is understood the decimal point is after 6, 1, 2. So this is now equal to 0.56. Number 3 example, 9%. We remove the sign of percent. It is understood the decimal point is after 9. We move it 2 places to the left. So we need 1 0, and then this is now equal to 0.09. Number 4, 287%. We remove the sign of percent. It is understood the decimal point is after 7. We move this decimal point 2 places to the left. 1, 2. The decimal point is now before 8, after 2. So this is now 2.87. Decimal to percent. To convert decimal to percent, move the decimal point 2 places to the right, and then add the percent sign. Insert extra zeros if needed. Example number 1, 0.84. Let us do it over here. 0.84. Move the decimal point 2 places to the right. 1, 2. The decimal point is now after 4. If the decimal point is after the last digit, we can disregard it. So this is equal to 84. And then add the percent sign. This can also be done by multiplying 0.84 by 100. 0.84 times 100 is 84. And then add the percent sign. So number 1, 0.84 is equal to 84%. Number 2, 0.59. We move the decimal point 2 places to the right. 1, 2. The decimal point is now after 9. Since 9 is the last digit, we can disregard the decimal point. So this is now equal to 59, and then add the percent sign. Number 3, 0.6. We move the decimal point 2 places to the right. 1, 2. We need 1 extra zeros, so this is now equal to 60, and then add the percent sign. Number 4, 1.2. Move the decimal point 2 places to the right. 1, 2. We need 1 extra zeros. So this is now equal to 120%. Percent to fraction. To convert percent to fraction, write the percent over 100 and then simplify. So 25%. So we write the percent over 100. So we have 25 over 100. And then we simplify. 25 over 100. 25 and 100 can each be divided by 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 100 divided by 5 is 20. So we have 5 over 20. This is not yet in simplified form. 5 and 20 can each be divided by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 20 divided by 5 is 4. So this is equal to 1/4. So 25% is equal to 1/4. Number 2, 60%. Let us just do this mentally. So this can be written as 60 over 100. 60 and 100 can each be divided by 10. 60 divided by 10 is 6. 100 divided by 10 is 10. So this is equal to 6 over 10. 6 over 10 is not yet in simplified form. 6 and 10 can each be divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So this is equal to 3 over 5. Fraction to percent. To convert fraction to percent, first convert the fraction to decimal and then convert the decimal to percent. Example number 1, 1/4. How do we convert this to decimal? We divide the numerator by the denominator. So 1 divided by 4. 1 divided by 4, 1 is smaller than 4, so we write 0. Then we put here extra 0. So 10 divided by 4, the nearest is 2. We put the decimal point here. 2 times 4 is 8. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. We add another 0 and then bring down 0. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. So 1/4 in decimal is equal to 0.25. And then we are going to convert this to percent. We move the decimal point 2 places to the right and then add the percent sign. 1, 2. So the decimal point is now after 5. But since 5 is the last digit, we can disregard the decimal point. So this is now equal to 25%. Number 2, 7 over 10. We divide 7 by 10. 7 divided by 10 is equal to 0.7. We move the decimal point 2 places to the right and then add the percent sign. 1, 2. We need an extra 0. So this is equal to 70%.